My name is Darren Gertis, and if you can give me 2 minutes, I can help you become a better instructor. During this time when we're in a virtual kind of environment, it's important that we service our students well. So right now I'm going to create a couple of links. I'm going to go to this class, and I already created a link that I called virtual office hours, and here I'm going to call another one. I'm going to create a web link, and I'm going to call it virtual video chat. And then what I did was I went to Zoom and I created a couple of meetings. So one of them is, I call it, office hours, right? And so I set up virtual office hours from 1 to 3, Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So it's a standard time. And I created this, all I did was create a meeting. I scheduled a meeting, and then I came down here and I filled in the details. And here's the details that I filled out. With the time, the ID is given to me, and I get this link. So this is what I'm going to grab. I'm going to grab this link and I'm going to go back over where it was. But I want to show you what I filled out. So in this, if I edit it, I'm going to edit this meeting, all of them, and I'm going to show you the parameters that I gave. Okay, so virtual office hours, and then I say it's going to start at 3:25. So use the calendar and then just let the calendar work this. So I'm going to start at 3:23, 1 p.m. to for 2 hours. So 1 p.m. to 3. And make sure your time zone is correct, Eastern Standard Time. It's a recurring meeting daily, and then repeats every day, and then it's going to repeat until about the end of the semester. Don't know what's going to happen, but repeat till the end of the semester. I can remove it if I want. Video, the host, I don't show up immediately, but the participant does, so they'll come up onto my screen, and then I click save. Now with that link, I'm going to go back to my Blackboard page, virtual video chat, office hours, and then I'm going to click the link, and then I'm going to make it available to users and click submit, and I'm going to move this up here. So this is at the top of the screen, so when they come into Blackboard, they're seeing this now. I'm also going to do the same kind of thing for, I created another meeting, so this is my graduate class. When I'm going to have it, they're going to have the same link for as we move forward for the balance of the semester. So I'm going to grab that link. This class is 6 to 9, and so every week it's going to, so let me go back down to the parameters again, edit the meeting, edit all meetings. Okay, so it's 6 p.m. graduate class. I put it a little over 3 hours. Make sure it's on Eastern Standard Time. It's recurring weekly because it's every Monday night, 1 week. Monday, and here we go, it's going to go after 9 occurrences, and I move that down, I click save, I come back over here, and I'm talking about web link and join class here. Now I'm going to make it available in other places, but at 6 p.m. Monday. Okay, I'm going to make it available other places, but here it's good to have it here as well so that they have a sense of where they can go. And just let me put one more thing on here. So click. Okay, so now this is the first couple of things that they're going to see. They can join the class and it'll go right into their webinar. I'm just trying to make things a little bit easier. Of course, I'm going to make an announcement for this and where to join it and that kind of thing, but this will just make things a little bit more user-friendly. All right, I hope that helps you, and I'll talk to you later. So that's all for now. If you're a CSU faculty member and you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to serve you.